All right, let me give you a killer tip that is really gonna help you grow your business faster, because the sad fact is there's really no such thing as a self-made millionaire. Every millionaire had partners, maybe not formal business partners, but people that helped them. They had mentors, they had coaches, they had people that helped them along the way. And I call these at least your dream dozen partners. Now, why dream dozen instead of dream 10 or dream 20 or dream 50? Well, dream dozen just, it sounds better, right? So what I want you to do right now is just take a scrap piece of paper out and think about all the people that can help you in your business. And not just somebody who could be a coach like myself, but somebody who could get you on some media. For example, my friend Steve Weatherford, coaching client of mine, famous former NFL player. He played for the New York Giants when they won the Super Bowl in 2007. He was the punter. He was on the cover of fitness magazines. And he's come to my coaching and he's read my book, Unstoppable. And he was like, Craig, I have to get you on Fox 5 News in New York City. Sure enough, he did. He got me a segment on the news. It was amazing. Went out to hundreds of thousands of people and brought me more business. So he was one of my dream dozen partners who, for example, can bring you an opportunity. I said this to one of my clients who is a nutrition coach, and he's like, oh yeah, I actually live beside a person who's the anchor of a news channel. I'm like, you've never communicated with them to have them get you on television? He's like, no, I never thought about it. Oh my gosh, there's so many opportunities in the palm of your hands, all right? So dream dozen partners are people that can bring you media opportunities, get you on podcasts, get you affiliate partners, be a paid salesperson for you. Or it's someone who can actually send you referrals. Or it's somebody who can bring you up on stage and speak to an audience. Or it's somebody who can get you in magazines. For example, my client, Bedros Keuilian, friend of mine as well, business partner as well, he writes for entrepreneur.com. I said to him, hey, listen, entrepreneurs could definitely use my content. I've written for that website before, but I need a regular column like you. And he introduced me to the people that run the program. Boom. And so on and so forth. If you want to write a book, I can introduce you to people that can help you there. I'm the type of person who can introduce you to hundreds of people that will solve the problems in your life. So go through right now, just make a list of 12 people that can help you. And then here's where things get crazy, is you have to go and help them first. You have to help them. You send them your book, you send them a program, you send them a video, say, hey, thinking of you. You send them a book from Amazon. Don't just send them Omaha steaks. That's so played out. You need to think about, hey, what problem do they have? How can I help solve it? And that way, now you've built the law of reciprocity in there where they're like, I got to go and help you. And they'll be able to come back and help grow your business and help you achieve your dreams. All right, so make that list of dream dozen partners. Go and add value first. And the next thing you know, boom, you're going to be on a rocket ship ride to success. And if you need a coach, a mentor, a person that can introduce you to people, that's what I'm here for. All right, so you either drop a comment below and say, Craig, do you know somebody? How can I get some video editing? How can you introduce me to people? Or if you're ready to get coaching where I'm going to be responding immediately to you and invested in your business, then send me a private message and let's get you to the next level as fast as possible. Let me be one of your dream dozen partners, all right? And let's go so you can grow.